Alright, so what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy Bifection and I'm back with another video. No, this video is for persons who wants to learn something or learn how to trade. This is for videos who this is bro, what am I saying? This is a video for persons who want to learn how to trade. If you want to learn how to make money in day trading, or if day trading is something that you've been wanting to do, this is a video for you. Alright. Um, so I was able to catch let me see, I think it's a 1 to 4 actually. Yeah, like a 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. Um, I was able to catch a 1 to 4, which is absolutely beautiful. I mean, a 1 to 4, you don't catch that all the time. So the fact that I was able to catch a 1 to 4 today was really, really amazing. Now, the whole purpose of this video is to show you how to do the same thing. Alright, that's the whole purpose of this video, is to show you how to do the same thing so you can catch these 1 to 4 too, you can catch these big trades, and you can eventually get to that professional point that you want to get to in your forex trading career and make some money, bruv, get all the hot females, do whatever you want to do, travel the world, live the life you want to live, be financially free, do things on your own timing. Like, these are all the amazing things that comes with day trading. That's one of the main reasons why I fell in love with day trading, as a matter of fact. But I mean, yeah, this was pretty much a simple trade. If you've been watching my videos for quite some time now, then you'll understand a little bit about how I trade. So if you've been watching my videos, you know that I trade supply and demand, right? So in this particular trade, this was a supply trade, right? Actually, I took I entered the trade on a second entry. I mean, as you can see, my zone is right here, this purple box here. Price came on my zone this one instant here, but I didn't enter at that point, right? Didn't get to enter. However, price came back to my zone, gave me the chance to enter on this second entry here, not this entry here, this entry here. That's where I entered at. Had my stop loss a little bit above this wick here, and I held it all the way down here and caught a 1 to 4. Now, if you had caught this 1 to 4, you would be able to make the same amount of money that I made. Like, being able to catch those big trades, bro, that's the most important thing, because that's how you're going to make that money. Alright, so man, get the hell out of the way, bro. Trading view. Okay. Alright, so that was really it. Well, that's not really it. So what else can I explain to you guys? So okay. Now, I want you guys to comment. If it's a case where you don't understand something, like, you guys are free to ask any question in the comment section. I think when I start to get those kind of feedbacks, that's when I'd be able to I'd be able to understand what you guys don't understand, so I can hit on those things more. Like, what are some of the things you guys don't know? Because there's a lot of things that I could touch on, but I don't really understand what you guys don't know. If you guys aren't understanding questions in the comment section, like any question at all, I've been trading forex for I say over 3 years now. So I have a lot of experience in the market, and any question you have and you want an answer for it, or you're curious about something, you could already be in a forex journey, but you want to answer for something, shoot that answer in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer it. But let me just break down my strategy. This may not going to be a full breakdown of my strategy, but maybe after you watch this video, you'll be able to like take these same setups too. I'm not telling you to go and take this on a live account. Do this on a demo account or something, because I don't want you to be risking your real money. Now, so my trades, the way I took, as I said, I take supply and demand trades. I don't want this. Let me actually try to. All right, sorry about that, guys. That's my apologies. I don't even remember what I was talking about a while ago. But yeah, I think I was talking about the fact that the trade that I took is a supply trade. Now, the way how I take most my supply trades are, I think what I need to say is, how do you spot, how do you see supply and demand trades in the market? Like, what do you look for? Because I think that's the most important thing. Like, what should you be looking for, right? Now, if you go on the market, if you want to trade the exact way how I trade, the first thing you need to do is to go on the 5 minute time frame. That's where I take my trades. I take my trades on the 5 minutes time frame. So if you want to trade like how I do, you would have to go on the 5 minutes time frame also, right? I can only vouch for the time for the 5 minutes time frame because that's where I've been trading on ever since I started trading. I mean, I used to try out different time frames, but the 5 minute time frame is where I find things comfortable, where the market really makes sense to me. But like, I take my entries and I look for my trades on the 5 minutes time frame, but for like bias and like directional purposes, to like get a better understanding as to where the market is going, I go on a daily time frame for direction. But when I'm taking trades, when I'm looking for a trade to take, I'm going on a 5 minutes time frame. Now, if you go on a 5 minutes time frame, this is not going to be like a breakdown video. I'm going to definitely make another video on the strategy that I use to take my trades. But this is like a quick breakdown. But so what you need to look for if you're taking a supply trade, you need to find your zone. Now, my zone is, if it's a supply trade, then the zone that I'm going to mark up, in most cases it's one candle, right? But in this, sometimes it can be two, but in this case it's one candle. If you're taking a supply, you need, and your zone should always be a shit. All right, so if you're taking a supply trade, your candle should always be like a a bullish candle, right? Meaning the opposite of supply is demand, right? So supply normally comes from where the demand is. You get what I'm saying? So sellers will start to sell wherever demand is, wherever there's a demand for whatever price the demand for a certain currency is. So like, let's say at this particular price here, at this bearish candle here, we're basically a buyer's candle, right? There's multiple names persons call candles, so yeah, but in this case, let's say it is a bullish candle, right? Bullish mean buy, this red means sell. If you don't understand what the candlesticks means, if you see, well, it can be meant, the color doesn't even matter, but the candlestick that goes up, those are buy candlesticks. The candlestick that goes down, those are sell candlesticks. Now in this particular case right here, this is so because I'm taking a supply trade, that means the candlestick or the zone that I'm going to mark up is going to be and the supply is sell. So if I'm taking a supply trade, that means I'm selling. So what is the opposite of selling? That's buying, right? And I have to sell where persons are buying. So this zone right here is where sellers sold at, because that's where persons were buying at, right? No, that's, if I see that that is exactly what happened in the past, right? I saw that, okay, buyers were buying right here, so a lot of sellers started to sell, because buyers were buying right here. A lot of persons started to sell, and due to the amount of persons that was selling, there was so many persons that was selling that the volume of persons that were selling broke the lowest low, or the lowest selling point, before they started to sold. So if the lowest selling point that was there was broken, I mean the lowest point where sellers were sold at was broken, that mean a lot of sellers is in the market, and that is exactly what happened. Whenever structure is being broken, and this is a structure right here. This is a I don't remember what you call it, but you see that it would be a pattern like it's a V-shaped pattern. That makes sense. That structure was broken. So that was an indication to me that there was a lot of sellers in the market. So all I did was that I waited for price to come back to that particular zone where a lot of sellers sell that. Wait for price to come back to that zone, and I wait for an indication that sellers was coming back in the market again. And that's where I waited for this bearish candle. I mean bullish candle. I waited for that bullish candle to be broken by this bearish candle here, and that's when I entered, caught the 1 to 4. Now, as I said, there's a lot more that goes into details, but I hope you guys are learning something in the future. I'm going to make a whole, like a nice video about my course. Not my course, but just a proper explanation of my strategy. So if any one of you guys really want to learn, stick around. Okay, this was a beautiful trade. Very thankful as usual. Always come on here just to, make a video to really give you guys some information, like some better understanding of how the market works so you guys can start to learn for yourself and start to make money by yourself in the future, because that is the whole point of this thing, guys, is to make money. It is not to play around with it, is to use this thing to make money, because that's all that matters. Not saying that it's only money that matters, but come on, like, we live in a world that, if you're not making money, you're cooked, bro. Like, you're fucked basically, and that's just the reality we live in. So if you know that, okay, that's the reality we live in, okay, we trying to make money to get up out that reality, like, what I'm saying, like, we trying to make money. If everyone is making money, money is what to make the world go around. I'm not saying you should rely on money and don't try to find some peace outside of money, because I don't believe that money is going to make you completely happy. I believe that it's like a stepping stone to, like, get certain things that you want, or to make life easier. But really and truly, like, money is not the biggest picture. It's just something to make our experience here better on earth. Give us the opportunity to take care of our family. Give us opportunity to, like, experience more things. That's the whole point of money. So of course you want to make it. So this is the purpose of day trading. That's why I started doing it. And if you guys want to do it for the same reason to make money, this is a channel for you. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'm gonna be posting so much more videos, guys. I promise you, if you stick around this channel, man, you will learn how to trade by giving me like 3 months. I promise you, you guys are gonna be thanking me. Anyways, that's it for the video. Peace and love. I'm out.